Hello students, welcome back to our channel. Myself is Manjat Bandari. In the previous class, we were doing the exercise 2.3 and we have completed it. In today's exercise, we are going to do exercise 2.4 linear equation in one variable. 2.4 exercise, there is nothing constant. It is a word problem based exercise. Okay students. Today I am going to do exercise 2.4. One more thing, students, please like it and share it and comment it, friends, so that everyone will come to know the video. Okay, students, let's start the class. Exercise 2.4. I'll go to the first problem. It is a word problems. All these are the word problems. In this one, first one, I'll go to the first question. Friends, I'll read out the question. Please keep the textbook and see it. I'll read the question. I'll be giving the solution. I'll be taking these classes in English and Kannada bilingual language. Okay. First question. I'll read the question. Amina thinks of a number and subtracted by 5 by 2 from it. She multiplied the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? Amina thinks of a number. So Amina thinks of, let the number be x. First thing. Let the number be x. Amina thinks of and is subtracted by 5 by 2. So x is subtracted by 5 by 2, which means minus 5 by 2. For it, she multiplied the result by 8. Means we have to multiply this by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times of the same number. So the result is obtained means is equal to 3 times of the same number means 3 times of the same number means 3x. Then find the number. What is the number? Okay, students. Now what we will do is we will take this one as x minus 5 by 2. This word problem, first we have to read the questions carefully and we have to write the data. After it will be calculation. Okay. 3 by 2 is equal to 3x by 8. Okay, students. Now I will take this one in this side so that I will get a positive value. So I will get x minus 3x by 8 is equal to 5 by 2. Now I will take the LCM. LCM will take means what we get 8x minus 3x by 8 is equal to 5 by 2. Now I get 5x by 8 is equal to 5 by 2. Now this 5 cancel. 2 ones are 2 4s are. So here we will get x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. So the number we are finding is, the answer is 4. Number is 4. Okay. Okay, students. I hope you are understanding the class. Okay, note it down and go to the next problem. Note on it. Difference. So next problem, second one. A positive number is 5 times of another number. If 25, so first I will read out the whole question. A positive number is 5 times the another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new number become 2x of new number. What is the number? We have to find the number. So first one, the positive number is 5 times of. Let the number be x and another number be 5x. Another number be 5x. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the number become 2x of the other number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, if 21 is added means both the numbers, so I will take 5x, one number. You must add 21 to it. Then another number 21 is added. If one of them plus 2x means it will be 2x. This is a question. Okay students, we have to find the value of the x. So what we will do it? First we will take in the normal form. 5x plus 21 is equal to 2x plus 42. Okay. Afterwards take this side. 5x minus 2x is equal to 42 minus 21. So we get 3x is equal to 21. X is equal to 7. So let the numbers are. X is 7 means here we will get 7. Here we will get 5 into 7. 35. The numbers are 7 and 35 for this question. Okay. Note it down. I'll go to the next problem. So next question, sum of the digit of a 2-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digit, it is found that the resultant new number is greater than the original number. What is the 2-digit number? So third one. So first 2-digit number. If we take 2-digit number xy, we can write this one as in this way also. 10x plus 5. First, by this concept only students we are going to solve the problem. We can write this in this way also. Okay. Now the question says sum of the digit of a 2-digit number is 9. Sum of 2-digit number. So if 2-digit number means I write x plus y is equal to 9. First number x. So here y value will get it as 9 minus x. When we interchange the digit, it is found that 27 is added. It is found that the resultant new number is greater than the original number by 27. So students, now when we interchange this have been interchanged. Interchange means we can write it as yx. When we interchange the number means yx is interchanged to original number, the resultant obtained is 27. What is the 2-digit number? We have to find it out. So now here yx. So I will write it as in this form. Yx minus is equal to 27 plus xy. Okay friends. Now yx means what y means here 10y. 10. Y means I got here. X means x only. Y means I getting 9 minus x. So for this one I can write it in this way. 10y plus x. So I am taking in this form. So 10 I will take 10. Y means here 9 minus x. Here x means here we are adding. So x means let's say x means we have placed in this place x only is equal to 27 plus xy means xy in this way. Then x plus y means this one 9 minus x. So this is a So in this way we have to write the equation. So then after we have to solve. So after solving, what we will get means 10. 10 nines are 90 minus 10x plus x is equal to 27 plus 10x plus 9 minus x. Okay students. Now place like terms one side, unlike terms in other side. Okay. Now I write it as 90. I take 27 in this side. 27 minus 9 is equal to. Now I put all the other terms on the left side. 10x minus x plus 10x minus x. Okay students, got this step? 10. 90 minus 36. So we will get 90 minus 36, we will get 54. So here we will get 54 is equal to 10x, 10 plus 10, 20, 20, so it means 18x. So we will get x value as 3. We will get x value as 3. Now we have to find the number. So we have to find the number. Put in this one the equation. What we will get? X is equal to 3 means 10 3 plus y. Y means here 3 means, I minus 3 means 6. Here we will get y 6. Here put value 3 means you get 6. So total we get it as 36. So the number in here is 36. Okay. Little bit length is there. Try to understand concept. You will get it. Note it down. So fourth one of the two digit of two digit number is divides the other digit. If we interchange the digit, this two digit number and add the result to the original number, you get 88. What is the original number? So student, now we have a unit digit and 10 digit. Let the 10 digit be x. Unit digit we have to take it as 3x because it has given 3 times the other digit. So let the 10th digit be x. Then unit digit be 3x. If one of the digit of two digits revise the digit. Okay. Now if we interchange the digit this with two digit number and add the result, the original number will be written as so now we will write that this is the unit digit. So we can write it as 10x plus 3x, one number. If we interchange means we will be getting as 30x plus x. If you separate both this one, we will getting as 88. So student, now the equation we can write in this way. In this way we can write it. So the original number will get 88. So what is the original? So we get it as 30x plus x plus 10x plus 3 is equal to 88. We will get here 88. So students, now we can solve the further. This is the required question. We have to find it out. So now we can add it. 30x plus x plus 10x plus 3x is equal to 88. So now 30, 40, 44x. 44x is equal to 88. So x get it as 2. So x we get it as 2. So from here we can let the unit digit be, means 3x is a unit digit, 10 digit is x. So we must put the value of this one 2. Here we will get as 3 2 is 6, means the number we are getting is 26. Okay students, it is very easy. It will lengthy is there, copy it out. Okay, note it down. I will go to the next problem. If you not understanding the problem, means rewind it and see it. If the sound volume is low, means put the maximum. If the brightness is less, means put the brightness high, so that it will be everything okay. If you not getting this problem, once again you rewind and see it. Okay, note it down. I will go to the next problem. Screenshot it. Fifth one. Shobha mother present age is 6 times the Shobha's present age. Shobha age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of mother's present age. What their present age? We have to find the present ages. Okay. Shobha mother. I write this way. Shobha mother present age is 6 times. 6 times of Shobha. Shobha means I am taking as S. Shobha age 5 years from now will be Shobha 5 years from now will be 1/3 of mother's age. 1/3 of Shobha's mother age. What is the present age? So we have to solve it out. So I will take 3 in this here. So I will get 3x plus 5 is equal to Shobha mother. Shobha mother I will substitute here. Take this one equation. This is 2 here. Put 2 in one equation. Shobha mother means 3x plus 5 is equal to 6x. Now I can find out x value. So 3x plus 5 is 15 is equal to 6x. 15 is equal to 6x minus 3x. 15 is equal to 3x. 5 is equal to Shobha's age is 5. We can find out Shobha's mother. Put s in 5, so we get Shobha's mother. So Shobha's age is 5. Shobha's mother we get as 6 into 5 means 30 years. Shobha's mother age is 30 years. Shobha's age is 5. Okay students, this is a required solution. Note it down. Okay students, I will wind up the class here. If you have any doubts, any inquiry, please comment me so that I can I can rectify it. And one more thing, please like it and share it. Okay students, thank you.